Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the Wix editor. Open the Pages panel and pick the page you intend to link to. Once selected, place a linkable element, button, image, or text, and click it to open the link settings. Make sure the element is visible and sized for easy tapping on mobile. Next, choose Link Page and select the destination page from the drop-down. You're doing the first actionable connection. Don't publish yet, because you'll verify and refine behavior next. Once the link panel is open, decide the link type: internal page for site navigation, anchor for on-page jumps, external for outside URLs, or document for files. Then set behavior: open in same tab for smooth navigation, or new tab for external resources. If you choose an anchor, confirm the correct anchor ID and preview the scroll position to ensure headings aren't hidden under sticky headers. Make sure link text or button label clearly describes the destination, so users know what to expect. Save your changes and use Preview to click every new link. Once satisfied, publish the site so the live URL updates. Then test links on multiple devices and browsers to confirm responsive behavior and check opening in a new tab if set. If a link fails, don't panic. Clear your browser cache and cookies, verify the page slug, and that the correct page is still published, and reassign the link if necessary. That single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.